Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to teach you how to convert from binary to hex and to octal. So the decimal representation of 1024 is as follows. Well, remember, decimal is always uses the digits 0 to 9, and that is what we see here. So 1024 in decimal is like this. In a previous video I told you how to convert from decimal to binary. So once you have binary, it's gonna look like this. You have 1 and 10 zeros afterwards. So each position has a value, has a weight. So it's easier to convert from binary to hex and to octal than going from decimal to hex and octal. It's easier. It takes less time once you have the binary form. So the way you do it is like this. We're gonna do first, we're gonna find 1024 in decimal. We're gonna convert it to which is this one in binary. We're gonna convert. We wanna know what it is in base 16, which is hex. The way you do is, once we have the binary, we take from left to right, we take groups of 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have another 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have, notice we don't have another one here. We only have 3. So when you have that, you can just put a 0 on the leftmost position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So to convert to hex is easy. Once you have, this is binary. So all you have to do is, for each group you convert it to hex. The decimal represents the digit of the hex, or whatever, the digit of the hex. So for example, the digit binary is, this is binary 0. So in hex, binary 0 is 0. This one 0. This one, notice this number here in decimal is, the first position has a weight of 1, the second position has a weight of 2, and this one has a weight of 4. Remember, from 0 to 9 hex are valid. So but after 9 you need to use A through F. So 4 here can stay as 4. So what's the answer for 1024 decimal to hex? Is this one, 400. Remember, you take from left to right, so 400. That's your hex representation. We're gonna do a similar thing for octal. What you do is, instead of taking 4s, we take 3. So 1, 2, 3. We're here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last 3, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. So octal, remember, it's so we're doing octal. So this is, we're gonna do octal right now. Octal is base 8. So we have digits from 0 to 7. So 0, remember this is binary representation, 0. So 0, 0, 0. Remember, in binary the second position is 1. That means that in decimal 1 has a weight of 2. Because 2 is a valid for octal, we just leave it as 2. So that means that 1024 base 10 decimal, octal is gonna look like this, or left to right, 2000 base 8, which is octal. So remember, going from decimal to hex or to octal is a little more difficult than going from binary. First you convert decimal to binary, and then it's easy to convert back and forth between each other, because from here you can convert easily to hex as well, going back and forth. But right now we just to show you on this video, I just went from decimal, we converted to binary, and then from binary we converted to hex and octal. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to teach you on this video.